All right, let me show you how to insert a temporary variable command into an iMacro. And these are useful for like one-offs. Sites that basically only want just a URL in there. They don't bother with the descriptions, title tags, and all that stuff. And these are useful for getting a site indexed quickly. And basically, you're trying to get a link as fast as possible to your new domain that you just built. And some of the sites that are indexed quickly by Google is like Dig and Yahoo Buzz, and a bunch of the stats sites also. And here it is. There's it starts with a prompt. Basically, it'll ask you for the variable. You have a message that you can change and have here. Be aware that you need the space tag here, and the variable is here. And then to insert the variable into your code, you'll be using this. And let me show you how it works. I got a macro here that is going to go into Yahoo and Dig and just post one URL. So I hit play. Right off the bat, see if you look over here, prompt, give me the URL. All right? So I'm going to type my URL in. And this is just a temporary thing. I don't have to bother put it into an Excel document or a CSV file. This is just in memory, and once the iMacro is done, it just disappears. Okay, here we go. And bang, here you go. I didn't bother doing the preview. It goes to another page to do the final submit, and there's a capture after this, but I just want to show you that it entered it here. And now, once that's done, let's go over to Dig, log in with my account. Given. And bang, there you go. And I'll stop this. And it obviously we continue, and there's a capture beyond the screen. What's happening, it looks like this. Same deal. There's my prompt. I entered my URL here. It logged in. Right where I was looking for the URL, I have the variable tag. Same deal, went to Dig, logged in, and then did the variable tag here. Another thing is stat sites. Let me show you these first. Stat sites. CubeStat. Very similar to like these domain tools and Whois lookups. Google will always check out the CubeStat site, and any time you enter a URL in here, because let's say you want some information about it, and if it doesn't know of your URL, it'll create a link on its own site. And there's a bunch of these. How effective they are, I don't know. But I can tell you that the CubeStat site is literally indexed by Google within hours once you come here. Now, whether your site gets indexed from this link, hard to say. But it's just another thing, another pointer that you're trying to get to your domain here. And same deal. I got a prompt here. This one's a little more trickier. They don't want the www here. And then I got a whole list of these here. It just goes through. And as an example, if I go here, let's go to my site. You see, it entered it here. There's a pause for 4 seconds just so it digests. And there we go. This one's already in here. And I'll just go through this stuff. About us. And hopefully this will help you get indexed faster.